Your body has been keeping score. The hidden reason your manifestation is stuck. Today we're working with the nervous system, EFT tapping, old story release. What if I told you that your affirmations are actually pushing your specific person further away? If your mouth is saying, I am chosen, I am loved, it is done, while your nervous system is broadcasting frequency of abandonment, of not yet having, of quiet panic, the mirror will always reflect the panic, not the words. Your body has been keeping score. And today we are going to look at exactly what it has been recording and how to rewrite it. I am Charllene of The Assumption Effect. If this is your first time here, subscribe, because this is the work that moves the needle. Neville Goddard said, feeling is the secret. But what happens when the feeling your body defaults to is fear, is longing, is the quiet, constant hum of not yet? Your nervous system is a precise instrument, and it has been conditioned. Every time your specific person went quiet, your nervous system recorded it. Every time there was hope followed by silence, your nervous system recorded it. Every time the connection felt close and then fell away, your nervous system took notes. And now, when you think of them, your body fires the old response automatically before your mind ever has a chance to affirm. This is what I call the internal default setting. It is the frequency your body broadcasts when no one is watching, when you are just living your day. What is your body saying? Imagine you want to grow a beautiful garden. You have the most extraordinary seeds. Your new assumption, your new identity, your new state. But the soil is toxic, poisoned by years of the old story, the old charge, the old conditioned response. You can plant those seeds every single day. You can water them with affirmations, but in toxic soil, they will not take root. We have to clear the soil first. That is the work of EFT tapping. That is the work of state shifting. We do not bypass the old story. We release the charge that is anchored to it, point by point, layer by layer, until the soil is clean and the new assumption can finally take root. I want to walk you through a short version of the work right now. This is a technique I use in my one-on-one sessions and in my Claim Your Throne program. We place the old fear right next to the new truth. And we tap the charge out of the old story. Find the karate chop point on the side of your hand and tap gently as you speak, round one, acknowledging the old story. Even though my body has been holding the old frequency, the longing, the fear, the not yet having, I completely and deeply accept myself. Even though my nervous system learned this response, I choose to release it now. Even though I've been trying from the old state, I am ready to shift. Old fear. Old conditioned response. I release it now. My body is safe. My body is ready for the new frequency. I am ready for the new frequency. I am someone who already has this. Round 2. I am someone who already has this. My body knows this is done. My nervous system is calm. My nervous system is certain and broadcasting the signal of fulfillment. I am the operant power. I am the signal. I am the assumption already fulfilled. I am chosen. I am loved. It is done. My body knows it. My nervous system broadcasts it. The mirror reflects it. Notice how your body feels right now. Even a small shift, a slight release of tension, a moment of calm, is the nervous system beginning to update. That's a glimpse of the work. In a full one-on-one session, we go much deeper. We identify the specific charge that is anchored into the specific situation. We trace it to its origin. We use hypnosis to bypass the critical faculty of the mind and speak directly to the subconscious, and we rewrite the code. I've worked with clients stuck in the same specific person loop for 2, 3, 4 years. And within a single session, the charge shifts. Not because I have magic, but because we finally addressed the right layer. The technique you've been using are not wrong. They are simply sitting on top of a nervous system. Once we clear the foundation, everything else works the way it was always meant to be. If your body's default signal was translated into words right now, what would it be saying? Not what you want it to say. What is it actually saying? That honest awareness is the beginning of everything. If you are ready to go deeper, join the Assumption Effect community free right now. Inside, you will find the full EFT tapping vault, the state shifting sessions, and a community doing this work at real depth. The link is in the description. If you want to clear the charge, shift your state, and move the mirror permanently, book a one-on-one session with me. The calendar link is in the description below. Drop your honest answer in the comment. What has your body been broadcasting? I want the real answer. Subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who needs it. I will see you in the next video.